Hello, good morning or good afternoon, and welcome to today's lecture. Today we are starting with our general understanding of pronunciation. Okay, so let's take a look. The phonetics of English, the small sounds, vowels and consonants. Okay, in writing we have A, E, I, O, and U, and these are vowels. Okay, and the opposite, of course, B, C, D, F, all the way to the end. These are called consonants. Now, the name is not so important, but the important thing is that in pronunciation, we have vowels and consonants as well. Okay, but in English pronunciation, there are actually 20 vowel sounds, and there are 24 consonant sounds. This is for traditional received pronunciation. Okay, the British English, the typical British English. Okay, so please don't worry about this if you think, oh, I want to speak with an American accent. Please remember that knowledge of the sounds will increase your ability. So if you can produce all the sounds, your mouth, your muscles can make all the sounds that you need for any accent that you want. The biggest collection of sounds is British English. Okay. So let's continue. Everybody has different pronunciation. Each country and all the different cultures in this country. So you must remember this. Different pronunciation. Okay. Maybe just a little bit different or maybe very different. It doesn't matter, but everybody, every culture has different pronunciation. So the one that we will study is not maybe the one that you want, but it has the biggest collection of sounds, and we will teach you how to practice so you can choose your accent and do anything you want. Okay, so here we go. These are for the classic British pronunciation. Okay, so this is all of the vowels and consonants in English, and for our lectures, we are going to separate them into three parts. The first part are the single vowel sounds. Okay. The second part are the double vowel sounds. Okay. So single vowels, we have 12. Double vowels, we have 8. All of them together, 20 vowel sounds. Okay. And then we will continue to consonant sounds. And there are 24 consonant sounds. Okay. So the homework is very simple. Practice. Okay. I will ask you to repeat a sound or a word 10 times. Okay. So 7 times is slowly and as big as possible to exercise the mouth as much as possible. And then 3 times fast. 7 times slowly, 3 times fast. Why? Why fast? Because you must learn to practice putting these movements together with speed so that it will come out more naturally and you feel like you are making success, okay, making progress. So let's begin. Please go on to the next lecture.